We start on the right side here with the nest counting. Then the next step in the production is the empty vial inspection and the sealing surface, where we inspect, for example, vials here. The next step, if we have a vial filling machine, we do the stopper inspection. So means we are going to check if a stopper is in place or if it's in the right position, if the gap is there, etc. So this is going to be checked here. We also deliver the solution for inspecting the stopper. If it's the right stopper, for sure you have the line clearance between some changes on the machine, but control is mandatory, inspection is mandatory to have a clean and sure, safe process. The last step in the vial production is the inspection of the crimping, so crimp inspection. Here we're going to check if the crimping took place perfectly and if the tip cap on the vial is in the right position, is also the right color, and if it's the right one. We introduced our pharma demos, what we have on site. We have a short look into what is the benefit for the customer in the production. So with our 21 CFR Part 11 conform software, we can run these applications in the commercial production of pharmaceutical products. We ensure that the process which took place before is in the right quality and only delivers good products in the end to the customer. We do the inspection process and the calculation process away from the filling area, more in the electrical cabinet of the machine. And we have here on the controller is also running an Edge AI tool, which can be set up easily, quite easily. We are using just a small amount of good and not good parts as a reference parts. It's a supervised AI we are using. We can also ensure that the trained product and the trained system all the time delivers the same result as it did during the training. If there are questions regarding another solution for the vial size or a detailed discussion needed for the AI tools regarding any inspection like the glass detection, feel free to contact us. We're happy to assist you and see you soon.